Hello, my name is Sarah. Do you know that dermaroller can cause infection and ugly side effects if used improperly? If you want to boost collagen production and reduce wrinkles, scars, and stretch marks, then you need to watch this video. There are many misinformed videos on how to use a dermaroller. Before I perform a proper demonstration on how to use a dermaroller, I would like to point out 4 major mistakes on many dermaroller videos. Mistake number 1. Dermaroller can treat acne. No. Dermaroller can spread acne bacteria all over your face and trigger a breakout. Please do not use 0.5 millimeter and longer needles to treat acne. Mistake number 2. You should use 1.5 millimeter and above needles to see real results. This is completely wrong and dangerous. 1.5 millimeter needles can cause scarring, and it is best to use only by a trained physician. 1.5 millimeter needles can produce quite a painful treatment and even bleeding. Mistake number 3. Not pulling your skin when dermarolling. When you dermaroll your face, it is best to pull and stretch out your skin with the other hand. This will help the needles penetrate your skin much easier. Mistake number 4. You should dermaroll every day to see real results. This is completely wrong. You can dermaroll every 2 to 3 days with 0.25 to 0.5 needles, but for 0.75 and 1 millimeter needles, only twice per month. This will allow your skin to fully recover and minimize any side effects. Part 2. I will now show you how to use a dermaroller properly. Step 1. Put your roller in a small cup with alcohol to disinfect the needles. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2. Attach the roller head. Step 3. This is optional. If you have very sensitive skin, apply numbing cream and leave it on for 30 minutes before starting your treatment. Step 4. You can now start the dermarolling treatment. To cover your treatment area thoroughly, it is best to dermaroll 3 to 4 times in up and down, across and diagonal directions. Also, make sure to pull and stretch your skin with the other hand. This will help the needles penetrate your skin much easier. Look at the picture below for reference. Step 5. I will now dermaroll hard-to-reach areas with the smaller roller. Detach the large roller head and attach the narrow roller head. Step 6. If you happen to have any blood on your face, then just dry it off. I don't have any blood, but if you do, this is the time to dry it off. Step 7. I will now apply my favorite skincare product to help boost collagen production. I suggest using vitamin C or copper peptide serum. Step 9. To prevent future infection, disinfect your roller with alcohol for 15 minutes before storing it away. You will notice a slight reddening and drying of your skin for several days. This is normal. You will also notice a slight shedding of your skin. This is also normal. If you have any more questions or if you need more information on skin needling, please click on the links below. Thank you.